You're using Notion Calendar completely wrong and missing out on integrations that could save you hours every week. Here's what 90% of users don't know about connecting your calendar to literally everything. Let me guess, you're copying and pasting between your calendar and other apps, manually updating project timelines, and wondering why your productivity system feels broken. According to Notion's latest 2026 documentation update, their calendar now supports over 200 direct integrations, but most people only use 3 of them. I'm about to show you 8 game-changing integrations that will transform how you manage your time. We're talking automatic project updates, seamless client communication, and calendar entries that actually work for you instead of against you. First, let's fix the foundation. Open your Notion workspace and navigate to the calendar view. See that little gear icon in the top right corner? Click it. This opens your calendar settings panel. This is where the magic happens. Most people never touch these settings, which is why their calendars stay basic. Look for the Integrations tab at the top of this panel. Here's what you'll see: a list of supported connections including Google Calendar, Outlook, Apple Calendar, and dozens of productivity apps. But here's the secret: the real power is in the two-way sync options that most tutorials completely skip. Enable Google Calendar Sync first. Click the Connect button next to Google Calendar. You'll see a pop-up asking for permissions. Grant all of them. This isn't just about importing events. With the advanced settings enabled, any changes in Notion automatically update Google Calendar and vice versa. Your phone notifications, your desktop alerts, everything stays synchronized. Now here's integration number 2 that changes everything: Slack connectivity. In that same integrations panel, find Slack and click Configure. This creates automatic channel updates whenever calendar events are created, modified, or approaching. Your team stays informed without you lifting a finger. Integration 3 is the CRM connection most people miss. Scroll down to find customer relationship management tools. Whether you're using HubSpot, Salesforce, or Pipedrive, connecting these creates automatic calendar entries for every client interaction. New lead? Calendar block appears. Follow-up scheduled? It's already in your timeline. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily, and these integration tutorials are just getting started. Here's where it gets really powerful. Integration 4 connects your project management tools directly to calendar blocks. Click on Project Management in that integrations list. Connect to Asana, Trello, or Monday.com. Now every task with a due date automatically becomes a calendar entry with the project context included. No more wondering what that 3 p.m. block was supposed to be about. Integration 5 will blow your mind: email calendar parsing. Enable the email integration option and connect your Gmail or Outlook. Notion's AI now scans your emails for dates, times, and meeting requests, automatically creating calendar entries with full context. Flight confirmations, doctor appointments, client calls, everything gets captured automatically. The 6th integration connects your note-taking workflow. Link Obsidian, Rome Research, or even Apple Notes to your calendar. Every meeting now gets an automatic note template with attendees, agenda items, and follow-up tasks pre-populated. Click on Notes Integration and select your preferred app from the drop-down menu. Integration 7 transforms your financial tracking. Connect accounting software like QuickBooks or FreshBooks through the Business Tools section. Client calls automatically log billable hours, project deadlines sync with invoice schedules, and time tracking becomes completely passive. Your calendar becomes a revenue-generating machine. The 8th integration is pure genius: smart home connectivity. Yes, your calendar can control your environment. Connect Philips Hue, Nest, or SmartThings through the IoT devices option. Focus time blocks automatically dim lights and silence notifications. Meeting blocks set your status lights and adjust room temperature. Your space adapts to your schedule. But here's the pro tip that separates power users from everyone else: automation chains. In the Advanced Settings panel, look for Automation Rules. This lets you create conditional workflows. When a high-priority client books time, automatically send Slack notifications, create project folders, and block buffer time before and after. One booking triggers 8 different actions across all your connected apps. Want another pro move? Set up location-based calendar optimization. In the Location Services section of your calendar settings, enable automatic travel time calculation. Notion reads your calendar locations and adds realistic buffer time for transportation. No more back-to-back meetings across town or wondering if you'll make that afternoon appointment. Here's the advanced technique most tutorials never cover: calendar template inheritance. Create event templates in the templates section with pre-built integrations. Your weekly team meeting template automatically creates Slack reminders, generates meeting notes in your preferred app, and sets up follow-up task sequences. One template, infinite consistent workflows. The final pro tip transforms how you handle calendar conflicts. Enable smart conflict resolution in the advanced panel. When double bookings occur, Notion automatically suggests solutions based on priority levels, attendee importance, and your historical preferences. It can even reschedule lower priority items and notify affected parties. Your calendar just became the central nervous system of your entire productivity ecosystem. Every app talks to every other app, information flows seamlessly, and you spend time doing work instead of managing systems. These integrations work 24/7 so you don't have to. Remember, at TechNavigator Pro we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. These integrations might seem complex, but once they're running, they're completely invisible, just like the best technology should be. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials that turn overwhelming tech into simple, powerful workflows that actually make your life easier.